Alright guys, today we're gonna put on some RCB levers and grips. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully it's not too hard. So I had the seat redone by Boss Batusai. This one is a semi-flat, blue stitching, mono dragon. Again. Alright, well, let's get to it, I guess. We'll do the levers first, huh? Because that's going to be a lot easier. Again. Alright, so let's go ahead, pull these off. Should be super easy. Super simple, just one bolt to pull these off. There we go. That's it. Super easy. Now let's put the new one. These are sick. Adjustable here. Nice. Alright, hopefully these line up perfect. There we go. Alright, so that's one done. Seems like it's okay. Definitely feels better than the stock. Hopefully this one fits good. Perfect. This one fits perfect. There's not tight at all. Little adjustment. She's solid now, nice and loose. Yeah, these feel way better than the stock levers. Nice. All right, let's try and do these grips. First, let's try the throttle side first. because that'll be the hardest one. Take one of these. This should be good enough, or maybe not. Maybe use the big one. Yan, ang laki. Oh, nice. That came out way easier than I thought. Nice. Well, now let's try to get the rubber off. I guess before I try with my hand, or with the tool, I'll just use my hand first. Alright. Alright. Okay, it's gonna be a pain like that. Come on now. Oh, so close. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let's see if we can do this. I didn't want to do this, but throw some oil or WD-40. See if we can't get her to loosen up. Oh, come on. Okay. All right. Wow. Should have did that in the beginning. Came right off. That's the tech. All right. Clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna take off the other one. All right, let's do the other grip. Hopefully this one will be just as easy. There we go. These come out before I put some oil. Let's see if I can get this to come off. Yep, not gonna happen. All right. Not too much, just enough to get in there. And now, shoot. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah. Kidding me? That's the tech for sure. Oh my gosh. Can't believe how easy that is. Nuts. Alright, let's see how easy these are to put on now. Hopefully they just slide right on. Blue ones with the side hand, the bar ends. I don't know if I'm gonna put these on yet. Let's see. Alright, so one has a small hole, one has the hole for the throttle. Let's see if we can just get this on there nice and easy without putting anything on it. I guess that's about it, huh? There we go. Nice. That feels way better too. Much softer than the stock ones here, as you can see. Nice. All right, let's see how much harder this one's gonna be. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this one's gonna suck. No way. Oh my goodness. That was hard, but we got her on. My gosh. Had to use a little WD-40, but that's okay because this one moves. Look pretty straight. Almost. There we go. Not too bad, huh? Looks okay to me. Alright, I guess I will put the bar ends in now that I see it. See what it looks like. Not too bad. That actually looks pretty sweet. Alright. I don't think that's going anywhere. There we go. Sick. That's it. Super easy. Well, hope this video helps if you are doing this yourself. Super easy to do. A little bit of a pain, but not too bad. But other than that, she's looking good. And nothing to go. Okay guys, well that's it. Subscribe, like. You guys can hopefully in the next video we can do the CVT. But until then, hopefully we'll get some good ride videos into. Alright guys, peace.